Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Neuberger Berman account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin activating your Neuberger Berman account, visit the official website. Locate the login or sign in button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. If you do not have an account yet, look for an option that says register or create account. Select that option to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your name, email address, and any other required details. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the security guidelines. After filling out the information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the registration form to create your account. Next, check your email for a verification message from Neuberger Berman. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This step ensures that your email address is valid and linked to your account. Once verified, return to the Neuberger Berman website. Click the login or sign in button once again. Enter your newly created email and password in the respective fields. After inputting your credentials, click on the Submit or Login button. You may be prompted to set up additional security features, such as two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete these security settings if required. After setting up security features, you should be redirected to your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the account layout and available options. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, look for a help or support section on the website. You can also contact Neuberger Berman's customer service for further assistance. Congratulations, your Neuberger Berman account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.